What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Alright. I don't know what this vlog is all about, and I don't know why I'm back with another video on this one. Okay. Well, today's still Thanksgiving night. They have a little bit in here. Yeah, it was a little bit in here. One more drop. So I want y'all to look at this carefully. This logo right here. Okay. So Miss Karen done changed her logo on this one. Okay. Yep, she changed her logo on this one. Okay. So I must say, Dominoes 7's empty lemonade bottle vlog. So I want y'all to look at this carefully. Okay. At this logo. So this gonna be the last time y'all see this logo. Okay. All right. Yep. Today's still Thanksgiving Day and stuff like that. Yep. I must say, y'all, last time y'all gonna see that logo, you know. So anyway, well, I'm not gonna say anything any further, you know. But I must say, she sell her lemonade almost all over, you know. I'll be surprised if she sell a lemonade all over the country, you know. I won't be surprised if she be featured on the news, you know, like Channel 4, Channel 6, Channel 8, Channel 26, or, well, I'm not gonna say CNN, because I'd be darned if she be featured on CNN or Fox News, you know. So, well, maybe she'll be featured on CBS News, NBC News, or ABC News. Well, I doubt all that. CBS, NBC, and ABC. Well, ABC, CBS, NBC was said in alphabetical order. All right. So anyway, empty bottle vlog, empty lemonade bottle vlog. Well, however you want to call it. I don't know. Okay. Well, the title is on the title. It's on the bottom of y'all screen. It used to be at the top of y'all screen, but not no more. If you're watching me on a computer or whatnot, you know, or y'all watching me on your phone, then the title is on the top of y'all screen or whatever. Or if y'all watching me on a Kindle, I don't know. Okay. Empty lemonade bottle vlog. Dominoes 7 empty lemonade bottle vlog. Okay. Yep. So, well, let me show y'all this logo one more time. And that's it for now. All right. Thank y'all for watching this vlog, and I'm very happy about it. Well, happy about. So, I did drink some lemonade with my Thanksgiving dinner. You know, I should have done a vlog about that. You know, I should have. Okay. All right. Thank y'all for watching this. Okay. All right. Bye bye.